Welcome to Giordano's Vintage Motors Showroom in Carnation, Washington, and today we're doing a brief walk-around video of our 1969 Porsche 911E Targa, and we're going to just do a quick walk-around. We already have another video of the engine starting up, gauges, etc. So we're just going to do a quick walk-around of the car here in our showroom with our ugly fluorescent lights. Actually, we have a little bit of natural light coming in from the showroom. Gavin's helping me out today. So I'm just going to do a little walk around of the car. You can see it's really straight car. I'd say this car is a really high quality professional body work and paint that was done several years ago. Still holding up really nicely. It's a few little paint flaws and chips here and there, but really a pretty looking car. It's we believe guards red at this point, 69 Porsche color. Fuchs wheels are just phenomenal, great condition. These are probably the original 5.5 by 15s. Some Yokohama radials on them, so again the Fuchs are great. Really nice chrome. Really a pretty car. It has the fog light deletes there. See, really good panel gaps all the way through. Hood fits really good. We got a couple little paint flaw right here, a little touch-up that hasn't been color sanded down. Again, the Fuchs are just really nice. Yokohama all-season radials. I'm going to try to put the car, put the camera under the car. I know we have some pictures. We kind of did restoration work on the underside as far as cleaning the underside. There was some surface rust, etc., and then painted black undercoating in there. Let's see if the camera, we don't have a light, but we do have really good photos of the underside of the car, so we should be able to give a buyer a really good view of that. You're going to see somebody has taken the time, which is interesting, to polish the aluminum Targa bar. If that is not to the taste of the buyer, we do have a factory brushed aluminum Targa bar that could be available. The car sounds terrific with its dual exhaust or quad-tipped exhaust, kind of a sport exhaust system, which we really like, and of course the gold-colored trim. So we're going to go to the front and open the, well, let's start opening the engine compartment. Really nice condition. Grille here, great panel fit. This, of course, is the 911E This is a 2.2 liter MFI E motor. So it's slightly bigger than the 2 liter. Roughly, I think $5,000 of work were done at Acres Porsche in Seattle, Washington, the premier Porsche restoration service place. Did a lot of work on the MFI work at that time. There hasn't been a lot of detailing to the engine. You can see that always problematic and dirty magnesium or whatever fan. I can see we have a little bit of dust here. I feel bad we haven't detailed that, but really haven't detailed the motor. But obviously when they repainted this car, they put in the new factory labels in here. We already have a video of the car running, so that's probably not too important. So we'll close that up and then we'll look at the front hood. We did do some light restoration in there. The always problematic battery box, front of the gas tank panel, which is important because it holds up part of the front suspension. That had some rust in there. It was kind of a little bit of a problem area. So we from Stoddard, I believe, in Canada, we got the factory panel. We have a proper battery here, and the correct battery for the other side, we have that placed in another car, but we'll include that is included with the car, the correct batteries. This is the dual battery setup. The gas tank was taken out, cleaned out, and painted, and this new panel installed. I think we did some very nice work that was done here at Giordano's Vintage Motors. You know, we haven't done much detailing inside here of the rest of it, but you can see nice, clean inner bodies, which to me is the inner fenders kind of shows this car probably wasn't crashed. Really clean up front. Again, this was really nicely repaired. That panel right there was replaced. Anyways, looks really good underneath the hood. Always problematic area here. They did little things like replating that or replacing that. So we'll close that. Thank you, Gavin. And then we're going to just take a quick little video of the interior. One of my favorite parts, this car has the, I believe, factory sport seats. We don't have the COA from Porsche, but we were told from the long-term owner these were original with the car. As sometimes they would do, they would order the factory sport seat for the driver and the passenger gets the stock seat. So that's the way this one's set up. Very nice looking black interior, little folding seats, and really in great shape. Car shows whatever 69,000 miles. Dash is very good shape. You can see it's not damaged or cracked. It does have a Blaupunkt CD player in there. I don't know if it's a leather wheel or a plastic wheel. It has a cover on it, but correct carpeting. Really kind of, nice shape. 5-speed, of course. My sense is somebody at some point replaced the Targa seals because they're nice and supple and feel really good. Some of the other things that come with the car. Here's the Targa top that looks like it's been restored. Fits very well. The original carpeting for both the trunk. This is primarily the front trunk carpeting. As always happens, the front struts have worn out. We have these included with the new gas struts. These are, I think, for Porsche. Targa top's been restored. And we have a couple things here. We have the Targa bag, or the Targa cover for the Targa top, I believe, and that's the bag it goes in. The tool kit from the car. Missing some tools. This is what we have for the car. And then a front bra with a Porsche bag, which is interesting. I didn't know that there was such thing as a factory bra, and there maybe isn't. So the carpets are very nice, and they'll go back in the car. So a couple things. This is some of the receipts from Acres Porsche. Those are online. I think about $4,230. That was done not that many more miles. I entered the car in the Microsoft Car Show, and it was a hit. People loved it. And so we have a little placard from that, a description of the features of the car, and just some other paperwork with the car. So we have, those important receipts that show the fuel injection work and other work on the car. So again, that's that car from Giordano's Vintage Motors, our '69 Porsche 911E. I'm trying to think of areas. I think photos of the car which are available will show the all-critical underside. It's really pretty nice, beautiful paint, really an exciting car. So thank you for kind of watching our brief little walk around video, and we look forward to hearing from you if you have questions about this or any of the cars at Giordano's Vintage Motors. This video is taken December 10th, 2019.